audible? Am I audible to you? Am I audible? Am I audible? Okay, right. Yesterday we did common errors on nouns and pronouns. Okay, good morning, good morning. Attendance is more important today onwards. Attendance will be focused. That's why smaller groups, you are all divided into smaller groups. Based on your attendance, promotions will be there. So attendance is also very, very important. Along with the quizzes, you are all writing certifications, you are all along with that. Attendance is also very, very important today onwards. Okay. All the group leaders, once again to exhort all of your friends, those who are there in your groups, if anybody don't come to the class. Once you monitor them, today I see your groups, the smaller groups. Okay, this is our chairman's and suggestion that don't go for the whole class, but two classes. So we should go with those smaller groups as it's an online education. That's why only in smaller groups. Kaushik, you belong to CSE A or B? All of you are present. All of you. Very few of you are here. What about others? Okay, anyway, I speak to their parents and also I speak to all of them. That's why these arrangements have done. So all of you have to be here with me throughout the 1 hour class. So we will end at 45 minutes. Okay? Only 10 members are here now in the chapter. 10 members. Few of you have joined but not stayed back. Some students are doing in that manner. If you want to learn anything, you have to be maintained consistently in coming to the classes. Okay? Okay. The last class we covered nouns and pronouns. One more sentence is left, which is also very, very important in the examination point of view regarding pronouns. That is, once you get the sentence and the sentence. Boys holidays. During the holidays, you get this sentence. The boys enjoyed during the holidays. There is a common error in the sentence. We never speak in this manner in English. It is okay with Telugu, but it should not be in English. It is okay with Telugu, but in English it is wrong. No, no, Kaushik. It is not wrong. The boys enjoyed during the holidays. Here, what is the subject? What is the subject here? The boys enjoy during holidays. What is the subject here? Can you say the subject? Verb and object. Subject, verb, and object. What is the subject? Okay, very good. Subject is the boys. Enjoyed is verb. What is the object? What is the object in the sentence? What is the object in the sentence? Object. I told you in subject verb agreement. In subject verb agreement, I told you, Kaushik, it is holiday is not. It is not an object. I told you in subject verb agreement. Once you recollect, subject verb agreement. Once you recollect, if any prepositional phrases, adjuncts that objects will never be treated as objects. Those will never be countable. So during holidays is just an adjunct. During the holidays is an adjunct. We added something for better understanding. We added something for our better understanding. Okay, understand? So that is not an object here. Object is missing in the sentence. Object is missing in the sentence. Understand? That's why we don't say that this sentence is right. We need to provide a reflexive pronoun. I think you have got the idea what is a reflexive pronoun. Adding self to the pronoun. Adding self to the pronoun. Relative pronoun. Relative reflexive pronoun should be joined after enjoy. Relative reflexive pronoun should be joined. Very good, very good. That is the relative reflexive pronoun. Subject is the voice. Relative reflexive pronoun is themselves. The boys enjoyed themselves during the holidays. That is the correct sentence. The boys enjoyed themselves during the holidays. If the subject is he, if the subject is he, if the subject is he, understand? If the subject is he, what is the relative reflexive pronoun with the subject? What is the relative reflexive pronoun with the subject? Very good, Kaushik. Self. Others, nobody is speaking. 14 members attended the class now. 14 members. So all of you encourage all of your friends. You have smaller groups. Once you speak to all of them, once you speak to all of your friends why they are not coming today, I ask you. I speak to the leaders of these smaller groups because speaking to all of them means it may take much time. That's why just you do the follow up and help me. All the leaders of the groups, please help me and make them come to the classes. Okay? Okay, right? Himself. Himself is writing. Subject is if subject is it. If subject is it, it. If subject is it. It enjoyed during dash dash. It enjoyed during dash dash. So what is the reflexive? Very good. Very good. Itself. Itself. So I think you understand the rule. Based on the subject, you need to write the reflexive pronoun after the verb. If there is no object, most important point is no object. If there is no object, self is most important. Self is most important. Okay, right. Next. We coming to adjectives now with this sentence. Now listen to me for the sentence. Listen to me for the sentence. Sarla is more taller than her sister. Sarala is more taller than her sister. Sarala is more taller than her sister. What is wrong with this? What is the common error you identify in the sentence? Sarala is more taller than her sister. Sarala is more taller than her sister. Okay, very good. Kaushik, Sarala is taller than her sister. More taller, more is wrong, right? So we don't use more or most with this kind of sentences because you all of you have known taller, tallest. So all of you have known 3 degrees of comparison. Tall, taller, tallest. For them, you did not join EREST already. We joined EREST to the adjective. Tall, taller, tallest. Okay. So using more is wrong. Using more is wrong. Very good. Next sentence is, listen to me for the next sentence. Mount Everest is the most highest peak in the world. Mount Everest is the Mount Everest is the most highest peak in the world. Mount Everest is the uh, most highest peak in the world. Answer is Mount Everest is just you focus on adjective. You need not type the whole sentence. It may take some time. That's why just focus on the adjective. As these are all adjective common errors. So Mount Everest is the most highest peak. Okay. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. We need not join more or most to highest because highest itself is the superlative degree. Once again, joining most is wrong. Okay, I think you understood with these two sentences. If we want to join EREST to the positive degree, we need not join more or most. If we join EREST, we need not join more or most. So more or most will be used with only different kind of adjectives. If an adjective has, if an adjective has more than two syllables, more than two syllables and also two syllables sometimes. Syllables means A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U are syllables. Having more than means these vowels are there with those parts of the word that we call it a syllable. Without A, E, I, O, U, we cannot call a fragment a syllable. That's why if we find more than two syllables or sometimes two syllables, then we join more or most. Otherwise, we never join more or most. Okay. Okay, right. I think you all of you have followed the rule. He is more younger than I. He is. He is more younger. This is also that kind of sentence. He is more younger than I. He is more younger than I. He is more younger than I. So younger than I is enough. We need not join once again more for this because younger is in comparative degree. Joining more is wrong. More is wrong. Okay. Next sentence. It is the most unique work. It is. It is the most unique work. Listen to me very carefully. It is the most unique work. So can we join here most before unique? It is the most unique work. It is the most unique work. These four adjectives are very important in the examination point of view. These four words are more important in the examination point of view. So all of you keep in your mind, unique, perfect, round, and eternal. Unique, perfect, round, and eternal. If you find any of these adjectives, they don't follow the rules what we are following, like REST. These four are not following any rule in adjective. Okay, they don't follow writing more or most or joining REST. Understand? We never write more or most before these words, and also we don't join REST to these words. Understand? Unique, perfect, round, eternal. So how do we write the sentence? It is unique work. It is a unique work. Like that we can say that. We never write more or most to the sentence. So it is answer is it is unique work. Okay. Understand this sentence? And now we go with the other sentence. Gopal is the cleverest of the two boys. Gopal is the cleverest of the two boys. Listen to me for the sentence. Gopal is the cleverest of the two boys. Gopal is the cleverest of the two boys. Gopal is the cleverest of the two boys. Cleverest. Understand the sentence? Gopal is the cleverest of the two boys. What is wrong with the sentence? Gopal is the cleverest. Gopal is the cleverest of the two boys. Those who are coming late, please avoid late coming to the classes. Those who are coming late to the classes, avoid late coming. We start at 10 o'clock. I never miss the time. I never miss the time. So better all of you come sharp to the classes. Okay. Whenever we have class, maximum timings will be the same. 10 to 11, 11 to 12 the other batch students. So avoid late comings and also irregular coming to the classes. If you come regularly, then you could understand what I am giving you in the class. Okay. Answer is, what is the answer for the earlier sentence? Gopal is the cleverest of the two brothers. 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 Can't you understand? Can't you understand the sentence? Cleverest of the two brothers. This is next sentence. So next sentence in adjectives, Gopal is the cleverest of the two brothers. So shall we write Gopal is the cleverest of the two brothers? So it is cleverer. Very good. Very good. Gopal is cleverer of the two brothers because here comparison is between two brothers. That's why we don't compare with superlative degree. We never use superlative degree for more than for two. If it is more than two, then we use cleverest. I hope you understand the rule why we need to write for this. I think all of you are following, right? So clever is enough. Next, next one is also most important in the examination point of view. Look at the sentence. Look at the sentence now. The population of Madras is greater than Hyderabad. It is wrong. The population of Madras is greater than Hyderabad. Here also, we need to use comparative degree. Using comparative degree is okay. Using comparative degree in the sentence is okay. But what is wrong with the sentence? What is wrong with the sentence? The population of Madras is greater than Hyderabad. Here, what is wrong with the sentence? We need to join a phrase. We need to join a phrase in such kind of sentences. What is the common point for both Hyderabad and Madras? Both Hyderabad and Madras, what is the common point? What is the common point for both Madras and Hyderabad? Understand the common point? What is the common point for to discuss both Madras and Hyderabad? So population is the common point to speak about Madras and Hyderabad. Okay, very good. So population is the common point. If you find a common point comparison for these two, we need to use a phrase. We need to use a phrase that is data. The phrase is data. Look at the phrase. Where do you join that phrase in the sentence? Where do you join the given phrase in the sentence? Where do you join the given phrase in the sentence? Look at that given phrase. Where do we join? Then error will be rectified. Then the error will be rectified. Look at the phrase. Okay, very good. Very good, Kaushik. Greater than that of Hyderabad. Greater than that of Hyderabad. The population of Madras is greater than that of Hyderabad. The population of Madras is greater than that of Hyderabad. So that is the sentence. Very good. So you write in this manner these get full marks for the question. So all of you follow these rules. If you don't follow, means surely it will be a mistake. So once, if you at least if you understand the rule, whatever may be the sentence, whatever may be the words given in the sentence, easily you can come up with the answer. So rule is most important rather than the sentence what I am giving you today. Okay, rule is most important rather than the sentence. Okay. Next, you get the next sentence. Look at the next sentence given here. Look at this sentence. Raju went to America for further studies. Raju went to America for further studies. Can we use the word further? And what should be used instead of further? What word should be used instead of further? Because it is regarding the common nouns of adjectives. So we need to use further. Very good. Further should be used instead of farther. Farther means which says about distance. Siva, not higher, not higher. Higher is also right, but if you find the word further, if you find the word further, then similar to that is further. Similar to that is further. Okay, so we know that higher studies, it is a common word, an informal word. It is an informal word. So some informal words we are all using in our English sentences. That is Indian English. Indian English. That's why we need to replace that with further studies. So further studies. Further, F-A-R-T-H-E-R, further denotes distance. Further denotes higher. F-U-R-T-H-E-R, further denotes higher, farther denotes distance. If farther is given, that is relating to distance. If further is given, that is relating to higher studies. Okay, I think all of you are following. And shall we move on to the next one? Look at this sentence. Look at this sentence. Let us not walk any further. Opposite to the earlier sentence, look at this. Opposite to the earlier sentence. Look at this. Once look at this, it is farther. Very good, it is farther. It is not further. Further should be used when the time comes, as well as farther should be used when the time comes for it. So, two similar words. These two words seem similar, but there is a difference in its meaning. So, if you identify the meaning of these two words, you can use in the right place. You can use them in the right place. Okay? Okay, right. Now, look at the next sentence. Look at the next sentence. Have you heard the latest news? Have you heard the latest news? Have you heard the last news? Have you heard the last news? Look at the sentence. Have you heard the last news? Here also we have two words similar to this farther and further, same as that. Here also we have two words, last and latest. Last and latest, okay, nice. So the full sentence is, have you heard the latest news? Have you heard the latest news? Not the last news, not the last news, it is latest news. It is latest news. I'm giving you one more example of this time where it should be used. Where it should be used. Look at this sentence. The umpire was the first person to leave the ground. Latest is wrong. What should we say? Really, latest is wrong. Identification is right. And here, last person who left the ground. He was the last person who left the ground, not the latest person or not the last news. So it is latest news, last person. So we need to use in this manner. So using the words, right adjectives in the right order is most important. Look at this sentence now. Look at this sentence. Her brother is an engineer. Her older brother, her older brother is an engineer. Her older brother is an engineer. Look at the sentences. Here, look at the sentence. Very good. Very good, Shara. It is elder brother. What is the difference between older brother and elder brother? Older brother and elder brother. Where do we use the word older? Where do we use the word elder? So using elder and always elder with blood relation. Elder with blood relation. If we have blood relation, we use the word elder. With blood relation, we use the word elder. Without blood relation, we use the word older. Older is used without blood relation. Without blood relation, we use older. With blood relation, we use elder. Understand? If there is blood relation in between those two, you and your brother, you have blood relation. That's why you can write elder brother. You and your cousin, there is no blood relation between you both of you. That's why you never use elder. You can use the word older. If there is any comparison between two friends, because you don't have blood relation, that's why you can use the word elder or use the word older instead of elder. I think you understand. This rule is also most important in the examination point of view. Look at the sentence. Look at the sentence now. Look at the sentence. Neetu is elder than Neetu. Neetu is elder than Neetu. Maybe these two are friends. These two are friends. Here, adjective mistake. So here, these are all common errors relating to adjectives. So you find here Neetu is older than. Okay, very good. Neetu is older than. Still students are joining. Now we have 22 students in the class. So better all of you, those who are coming regularly to the classes, once counsel them why they are coming late, why they are not able to come to the classes. So I need the details from the heads of the groups. We have 9 groups in the class. So today I speak to all the group members regarding why they are absent from the classes. Why the students are absent from the classes. Now 26 students are here in the class. Still more students have to join. Still 6 more students have to join. So please avoid late coming to the classes. At least you learn a few important things, not for this semester, for the coming semesters. Without having the notice of all these rules, your English will be butler English. That's why all of you follow classes to a better understanding for your future. It is not only for this semester. These are all very useful for your future. Okay. Now look at the next sentence. Look at the next sentence. They do not sell fewer than 10 bags of rice. They do not sell fewer than 10 bags of rice. Look at this. They do not sell fewer than 10 bags of rice. So look at the sentence. Fewer. It denotes number. Here mistake lies with fewer. They do not sell. Fewer is not right in the context. What word should be used here is most important. Instead of the word fewer. Instead of the word fewer, what verb should be used? What adjective should be used? No, no. Oh, right. Less. Less. Very good, Sharon. So the sentence is they do not sell less than 10 bags of rice. Less than, not more. Prasant, not more. It is not lesser also. We don't join here EST. We don't, Dinesh, we don't join here EST to less. Just we say that less than, not lesser, less than is enough. Okay, right, very good. Less than. So sentences, they do not sell less than 10 bags of rice. They do not sell less than, not fewer. Here the rule is, once you observe the rule, once all of you observe the rule, this is the rule. Less refer to quantity and fewer to number. Fewer to number. Now we are speaking about the quantity, that means bags of rice, not the number. We cannot count each particle of it. That's why it is quantity, it comes under quantity. If it is quantity, then we use less. If it is number, then we use fewer. Okay, look at the next sentence. Look at the next sentence. We were present on both days. Look at the sentence. We were present on both days. We were present on both days. We were present on both days. Now onwards, you concentrate on article mistakes. Common errors relating to articles. So article is missing in the sentence. Article is also a part of adjective. These are all called demonstrative adjectives. These are all called demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives. Okay. So once you look at the sentence, we were present on both days. Very good, very good, very good. Sharon and Shiny. Shiny, both after what? Okay, Bengal, both the days. Both the days is the right answer. So we need to write article B after both. In between both and days, we need to write the article. We need to mention the article that it is right. So followed by both, we need to use the article. Already, I think articles we discussed in the class before first with the examination, we discussed articles exclusively in the class. Now look at the sentence. Frank is an European. Frank is an European. Frank is an European. So look at the sentence. Look at the sentence. Frank is an European. Frank is very good. A European. Frank is a European because the letter E here gives U sound. Means in Telugu consonants. In Telugu we have consonants ya, ra, la, va. If it exceeds the sounds of vowels, then we write A. If it is among the sounds of vowels, means A, E, I, O, U, in Telugu, Achulu we count. If the sound comes out of vowels, then surely we write and, otherwise it is A. Okay. And next sentence is, next sentence, look at the next sentence. It is an ₹1 note. It is an ₹1 note. Okay, right. it is an 1 rupee note. Is it right? Is it right? It is a 1 rupee note, right? A 1 rupee note. Very good. So it is a 1 rupee note, not and 1 rupee. It is also in the same manner. Ya, ra, la, ma in Telugu. It comes into from that vowels to consonants. So we need to stick on to the sound what Sharon said earlier. Sound is more important. Based on the sound, we decide that we need to write the vowel or consonant. Okay? Okay. So next sentences. Next sentences. Look at the next sentence. It is also relating to articles. Banerjee is an honest man. Banerjee is an honest man. Understand the sentence? What is the correction in this sentence? Banerjee is an honest man. Okay, right. Bengal is an honest man. Kaushik, Shana, answer is what you are following. So answer is right. Okay, right. Very good. Next sentence. Next sentence. Look at the next sentence. Concentrate on. Already I told you this one in the class. Same example. Vijayawada is on Krishna. Vijayawada is on Krishna. Krishna is a river here. Krishna is a river. Krishna is a river. No, no, we are not discussing preposition common errors. We are not discussing preposition common errors. I told you always mistake lies with only. Mistake lies with only. All of you are going wrong. All of you are going wrong. It is not the common errors topic regarding prepositions. I am not speaking about any preposition. On is perfectly correct. On is always right, yet in are wrongs. So all of you are following my words. Here, sentence. Vijayawada is on Krishna. On Krishna is right. Very good, Kaushik. It is on the Krishna. Before the names of the rivers, oceans, seas. Before the names of the rivers, oceans, seas. I told you this rule. B should be used before the names of the oceans, seas. Okay. So if you find any word body, then if any name is given to that, we need to use Vijayawada is not. You need not join banks. Is on the Krishna. Directly you can write the article. Directly you can write the article before the proper noun Krishna, because it is not a person's name. It is the name of a river. Before the names of the rivers, we need to use article. Before the names of the rivers, the Bay of Bengal, the Arabian Sea, the Mediterranean are the best examples for this. And the river Godavari, the Ganges, the Godavari, the Ganges. Okay, so you need to follow strictly before the names of the rivers, seas, oceans. We need to write. We need to write the article B. Okay. So look at this sentence now. Look at this sentence. Sadhana read Mahabharata. Sadhana read Mahabharata. Mahabharata is the holy book. Mahabharata is the name of the holy book. Mahabharata is the name of the holy book. Very good. So before the names of the holy books, we need to use article. Before the names of the holy books, we need to use. We need to use. Okay. Okay, right? The Mahabharata. Next, look at the next sentence. at the next sentence. My uncle lives in United Kingdom. My uncle lives in United Kingdom. My uncle lives in United Kingdom. United Kingdom is okay. In the UK, very good. Article should be used. If you can write for any nation in an abbreviative form, before abbreviative forms, you need to use article B. Before the United States of America, the United States of America. If America, we don't write article. If it is the United States of America, the United Arab Emirates, the USA, like that, the UK, we write like that. If we can write the name of the nation in abbreviative form, the nation's name in an abbreviative form, article B should be joined. Okay. Look at the next sentence. Look at the next sentence. The culprit was sent to Andamans. 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 Very good. Very good. Here, islands, group of islands. We need to use the article before the group of the islands. The Andaman Nicobar Islands, the Lakshadweep, the West Indies. So we use article B before Andaman, the Andamans, the West Indies, the Andamans, the West Indies, the Lakshadweep. The Lakshadweep. Look at this sentence. Now look at this sentence. Look at this. The higher you climb, colder it gets. The higher you climb, colder it gets. The higher you climb, colder it gets. Okay? Look at the sentence. Understand? Okay, very good. Very good. Very good. The colder. So you need to write article B before both the comparative degrees. Both the comparative degrees. If you want to compare one thing with two comparative degrees, you need to use article before both the comparative degrees. So very good. I would like to stop with this sentence. A few more adjective common errors are there, and following that grammar, next grammar point is verb. Tenses, verbs will be discussed in the next class. When we meet all of us in the same platform, next we discuss a few are left. A few are left regarding adjective because a few important points I need to discuss for some time. That's why already we discussed, but once again, because it is also very important in the examination point of view and also placement point of view, so I think all of you are following. Okay, so uh, who are absent, can anybody, give the names of the students, those who are absent from the class today, those who are absent from the class today? Can anybody give the names of the students who are absent from the classes? Number 68, I think. Give the numbers. Is number 68 present? Number 68 is absent. Number 69. Number 69. Is number 69 present? Is number 69 present? Quick. Answer your roll call. Just you give your numbers now. Those who have attended, just last two digits are enough. Last two digits are enough. Last two digits. Give your attendance and then you go. Give your attendance. You type your number and you go. Quick. You type your number. Type your number. Okay, right? 73, 69. Pavani. Okay, right. Sravanti. 9 means I don't understand. Okay, very good. Thanks. Okay, quick, quick. Others, others. Finished giving attendance. How many of you are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay, by others, only 21 members. Numbers are here, only 21. I'm giving present for all of you. Others are given absent. 87 also, Tina Deepak. Okay, 22 members. 22 members at present. Now I can see here. Okay, right. Okay, right. Thank you. Next class we continue with the verbs along with the articles.